Do you need space? This home has over 4,400 square feet. 6 spacious bedrooms, 4.5 baths, fully finished basement. Hardwood floors on main level, spacious kitchen, large family room with gas fireplace, living room/dining room, breakfast room and office. Laundry is upstairs. Master bedroom has cathedral ceilings, large walk-in closet with custom shelving and spacious bathroom with walk-in shower and large soaking tub. Basement is fully finished with full bedroom, full bath, another family room, 2 more rooms and small kitchenette. Backyard features a large deck and a great flat yard that backs to common area. The Falls at Lees Parke has great amenities such as pools, walking trails, playgrounds, tennis courts and fitness center, walking trails and so more. Close to Spotsylvania Hospital and tons of great shopping. Hurry, will not last long.